In this video, I'm going to give you a very quick and short introduction into TensorBoard. TensorBoard is a visualization toolkit from TensorFlow that can be seamlessly integrated with PyTorch for tracking and monitoring experiments. It offers powerful visualization tools for model training metrics, network architecture, and even embeddings. There are three use cases where you can use TensorBoard. First is to monitor the training. When you monitor the training of a model with TensorBoard, it lets you track loss, accuracy, and other matrices in real time during the training. Now, if I open this image in a new tab and show you what is happening, so this is how it looks like. You can move to different histograms, scalar images, and lot of other things. And you can see a detailed view of monitoring in various formats. Let me make it a bit bigger so that you can see it properly. So there you go. So you can see that we can see histograms, we can see a lot of other things in this visualization through TensorBoard. Another cool thing about is that you can display high dimensional embeddings in 3D space. Now, with these interactive charts and graphs, you can explore matrices, you can drill down deep, and then you can also track and compare different training runs to refine your hyperparameters, which is crucial for model optimization. Last but not least, it also enables you to collaborate with your team and you can share your experiment results with your team. Okay. Now, in order to run it, you should have Torch installed, and then from there you can simply use your code to get started. This is a code chunk from pytorch.org as how you can use it. So if you have Torch installed, all you need to do is to import the Torch library, and from the Torch you can simply get your TensorBoard. And from there you can start instrumenting your code with this TensorBoard, and it will start visualizing for you. And I already have showed you how you can do it. There is also a very good notebook from the researchers at PyTorch, which you can readily use as a code example, and I'll drop the link in video's description too. And as you can see, all we are doing it after installing Torch, we're importing TensorFlow, and from there we are just running the sample code, and then from here we are embedding this TensorBoard within this keras model.fit function very easily. This is a callback for the function. So that's about it. I hope that you liked it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.